During Wednesday's edition of The Five, Jeanine Pirro experienced an awkward moment when her phone bellowed out during Greg Gutfeld's segment. Just before Gutfeld began his recurring Animals Are Great segment, the former judge's phone rang, causing her ironic ringtone to blast through the moment and prompting laughter from her Fox News co-hosts. "What the hell's going on?" Gutfeld asked as Pirro wrestled with her cell phone while trying to turn the ringer off. "How could this be on?" she marveled as Toby Keith's "I Love This Bar" continued blaring from her phone. Her Fox co-hosts didn't take long before chiming in. "It's a good thing we're not on like Broadway," Geraldo Rivera said, poking fun. "Thank God we're not on TV," Gutfeld quipped, before finally beginning his segment. Pirro was the host of Fox News Channel's Justice with Judge Jeanine until 2022, when she became a co-host of The Five.